I am Hiroshi Matsubara. I am owner of Amano Fish Cake. I got trained in Japan making fish cake in a big company in Japan. And they sent me to Los Angeles, open a new factory of kamaboko. After 10 years, I moved to Hilo to start my business. Amano Fish Cake I acquired 1991, about 33 years ago. Everybody in Hilo knows the name Amano. We're still using old Mr. Amano formula.
I'm Nozomu Matsubara, and I'm the Vice President of Amano Fish Cake. Mr. Amano is really strict. He was not afraid to crack the whip on my dad. He really learned the Amano recipe the correct way. We started off with just gobo tempura and the kamaboko.
When I started, I had many difficulties. Didn't know anybody here, Everybody was strangers. KTA, that time, 30 years ago, really helped us so much. We have special product, for KTA. And then KTA, when need something special, they ask us. So it's really good relationship.
KTA, they do a lot for us. And KTA is really good with supporting local companies. I see all these made local signs, and they really do promote all these big island businesses. I feel like I have the state's most knowledgeable person on fish cake, and that I have to continue on this legacy. And when it's fresh, you can't beat it too, right?